we're making scallops with creamed corn bacon. So first thing we're gonna do is just get some bacon going. Just like little bits like this. Now we can prep the creamed corn. I'm just using canned corn. You could use fresh corn if you want an even more premium experience. Okay, I'm gonna use some of the canned corn to blend up some heavy cream. That should be good. Dicing up a little onion. Bacon out. Keep some of that oil in there. Onions in. And get a little bit of scallion. Corn in. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of butter. I've had these scallops sitting out for about an hour. These were previously frozen. I actually fuck up scallops a lot. Sometimes there's just too much liquid in it and they don't sear properly, but we're gonna get this seared well. Evenly spaced around. A little bit of salt on top, a little bit of pepper. To the creamed corn, let's add our creamy corn now. Oh, okay, not bad, looking pretty good. Nice. And get a little butter in the creamed corn and get our bacon in too. Let's cut up a lemon. I think these are ready to come off. We're gonna put these back in a minute. Lemon, butter, add a little bit of pecorino to the creamed corn. Scallops over here. I'm just gonna baste it. Okay, we're good. Bed of creamed corn. A little bit of scallion and scallops. All right, and we're good. Creamed corn and scallops. Okay, let's taste this. A little creamed corn. Scallop. Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.